In today's video, we are analyzing a real business negotiation between a brand manager and an influencer's agent. Watch closely because I'll be stopping the video to fix their mistakes and show you how to sound like a real CEO. Let's dive in.
Hi Maya, thanks for meeting me. We love your influencer's style and want to pay her to post a photo wearing our new luxury leather shoes on Instagram.
Stop. Don't say pay her to post a photo. It sounds too amateur. Instead, use the professional business phrase, sponsor a dedicated post. Let's hear it again professionally.
We would love to sponsor a dedicated post featuring our new luxury footwear line.
That sounds interesting. Her flat rate is $5,000 per post. However, she also expects a high percentage of the sales.
Pay attention here. Instead of saying percentage of the sales, real executives use the business term, sales commission. It makes you sound 10 times more professional.
We can agree to the flat rate, and we can offer a 10% sales commission for every purchase made through her unique discount code.
Perfect. That's a fair deal. Let's draft the contract.